Hey, good morning. Good morning. We are live. We are live from the Nut House. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Matty Mac, good morning. Go In Trades. Peter and Kath, good morning. Orlando, good morning. Diego, good morning. Moses Malone, good morning. Good morning, Black Coffee. Yeah, huge. We had a 8:30 news event and big pump higher, immediately followed with a sell-off. So we are very, very close to the 20,000s here. You would almost assume we're going to go test that 20,000 level. But we shall wait and see. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Rachel Aluatosin. Good morning, Chad Grant Allen. Good morning. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I hope so. Let's get the coffee going. I need some coffee. The beautiful chef Armando, good morning. What's my bias? Honestly, right now, I don't really have a bias. I think I don't like the way this daily chart looks. I know that. I don't think this looks bullish at all. And if we lose the 20,000 level, I really don't know what to expect. I mean, we've been seeing crazy volatility the way it is, but if we lose the 20,000 level, we could see a new level of volatility. So I don't know. I'm not sure what to think. So, hey, good morning, Black Beauty. Word is spreading about Buellnock's 10K account is actually a swing account. Oh, really? It is allowed to carry trades on a micro account to the next day without closing them except for weekends. I see. Interesting. I've always wondered, I mean, the hours that the market is closed, it's only 1 hour. I mean, I know a lot can happen in that 1 hour, but the only time that 1 hour really makes a huge difference is if there's a lot of, like, if there's a big earnings or something, but I don't know. What copier do I use to trade copy? So I use the Replicanto trade copier is what I use. What is the panel I have on the right? This panel here is the Affordable Indicators account dashboard, where I keep track of all my accounts and basically allows you guys to see how it's going. And as you can see, we had a pretty good overnight session, except for our tick accounts. Tick accounts, we kind of messed up. We messed up those accounts pretty bad in the overnight. And all because I was an idiot. I traded 4 minis and I meant to trade 4 micros. And man, it is crazy. Even in the overnight session, I got in the trade and I realized I was in 4 minis. I meant to be in 4 micros, but I decided to risk it for the biscuit, so to speak. I was only looking for like 4 tick. No, not 4 tick. I was looking for 4 points. 4 points with 4 minis, and I would have gotten my profit target for the day. So I was like, surely we can get 4 points. Nope. Market just immediately ripped lower, and we hit the data loss limit. These accounts aren't blown. I just hit the data loss limit on them for today, so yeah, it didn't take long at all. 4 minis, it's crazy. Even in the overnight session. But it is what it is. What prop firm are those TT accounts? Those are Tick accounts. Tick Trader. And I'm just trying out Tick Trader right now. Just basically testing them out. See what I like, what I don't. I'm not currently affiliated, but hey, let's go, Sharuz. Good morning, Sharuz. The chat trader of the week is in the chat, folks. Let's go. When am I getting more Apex accounts, Matty Matt? I mean, I will eventually. I'm kind of hoping to get a 90% sale, to be honest. I'm kind of holding out, waiting for that 90% sale, and then I'm gonna try. I think actually I'm gonna go to. I think I might switch and get 550K accounts. See if we can pass them on a news event or something. We'll see. All right, market is making a move higher here right at the open. We did make new lows by a tick or so. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Obviously today. So, let me look at something here. You know what? I forgot to update something. We need to update our payout. We need to update our payouts again. I like when I have to update my payouts. I like that. As you guys can see, this is the Take Profit Pro account, the $75,000 account. We took out $428, which was what we could withdraw yesterday. Took that out, which equaled like $342 or something like that. Daily payouts, baby. We're finally doing it. We are finally doing it. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. You got your Apex approved yesterday. Let's go. Also, we locked in another $100 day on the Apex accounts. Let's go. Right now, those accounts, knock on wood, it seems to be they're going very smoothly. Only focusing on $100 a day. So, 300 a day by 5 days, 52 weeks, that's 70K. I like that math, Matty Matt. Do I trade on Take Profit Trader? Yeah, right here. Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. This is my account that I'm trading today. I'll be trading this account again today. This account here, Take Profit Pro account, this is your guys' account. This is Chat's account. So this is Chat's account, and I'm going to pick a Chat trader today. And then whoever gets chosen to be the Chat trader of the day, they will call out the trades. And if you guys get this account above the payout threshold, for every payout we take on this account, it'll be a 50-50. I'll do a giveaway for 50% of whatever we take out. So let's go. Let's go. We need Design Knob trading the account today. Oh, let's do it. Peter Schaff. Think about Take Profit Trader. What's the biggest hurdle you think with them? I mean, honestly, with Take Profit Trader, the biggest hurdle is, first of all, I feel like they're passing their evals is probably one of the hardest evals to pass. But once you have them passed, the problem then is, like, you do have to deal with intraday trailing drawdown, which isn't any different than Apex. But here's my personal opinion. This is just my personal opinion on at least what's kind of held me back. And this sounds so counterintuitive, or it sounds kind of crazy. But for me, the biggest thing that held me back with Take Profit Trader is because they don't have a consistency rule. I think that actually, I trade prop firms with a consistency rule. I trade those prop firms way better. Because I don't get greedy. And yeah, I personally think that's the thing. Like with Take Profit Trader, there's no consistency rule and I get greedy. And that's oftentimes what has happened in the past. Still no email? Good morning, Design Knob. Yeah, they seem to be a little bit slow. Their account dashboard doesn't update until like midnight. And sometimes their account creation can take into the next day. So what's the difference with their evals, ripping and dipping? Well, they have a 50% consistency rule on their evals, and you also have to trade it for 5 days. But I mean, I just find it personally, I just think it's a little bit harder to pass. But all right, I'm not interested in trading this until we kind of, I want to see what happens here. I was thinking we might go test the VWAP here, but look at this, just straight back down, testing. I mean, I feel like that 20,000 level is going to get tested at some point. Now, the question I have is on this 20,000 level, are we going to wick on through it and just keep dropping? Or are we going to wick through it and get a 200-point rip higher like we did yesterday afternoon? We're taking out yesterday's lows. I will be a buyer there in the next 15. Okay. All right. We do need to decide on the chat trader of the day how we do this. How are we going to do this? But yeah, this news, this NFP, that was crazy. Big rip higher and just we immediately sold off. Unbelievable. All right, this 20,020, 20,030 level currently holding. Currently holding. Seems like the market, the last couple days, the market open has been very choppy. Look at that, just immediately ripping back up higher. Hmm. All right, let's see. Maybe we test VWAP now. The fact that we didn't make new lows here. The bulls at least have a chance here to make a move. If we can get above the 120s. I don't know. I don't know, man. Feels like this market's just... market is crazy. Let's just be honest. The market is crazy right now. Don't look for a trade up to take the lower liquidity for the highs. I mean... I want to see what happens if we test that 20,000 level. I really think we will, but just the fact that we think it's going to happen doesn't mean it'll happen. We could make a move all the way up to the 200s and then go test the 20,000 level. Who knows? Really want to see how we react here at the 20,120s. Are we going to make a move or not? Does feel like we want to pop this. And here we go, 20,120s. Let's see. I might look to... All right, here we go. 20,140s. She ripping, boys. She ripping. Add the 140s. Let's see what happens here at VWAP. Now 150s. 160s. How high can she go? Let's see. This is going to be an interesting level here. Is it going to be another fake out? Man, I'm tempted. I'm tempted to go. Man, are we just gonna rip straight through here? Testing VWAP here. Let's see. I mean, we might actually go test the 240s here. I could see it happening. There we go. 170s. Let's see what happens. 190 or the 200 level is going to be interesting. Let's. Okay, do we have news? I gotta check news. Is news? I don't. Friday. We do not. Yeah, we do not have any more news. Well, we have. Wait. Powell is going to be talking today at 12:30. I see. That should be fun. Our good friend Powell is going to be talking. That should be fun. I almost have just need to flip my take profit trader eval to pass. You ended up down 900. Oh, that is some scary. I always trade the overnight session when I have to only flip, because when you try to flip in this kind of market, it can actually, you can get in trouble. You can get in trouble. All right. We need to get above that 200 level. I'm trying to debate. Here's what I'm kind of trying to think. Do I want to wait till we go test this 240, 260 area and then just look for a short? I feel like that might be the play today. Basically, this 220 area, wait till we test the 220s, even 220 to 230s, test it, and then go look for a short move and basically a retest of the 20,000 level. I don't know. Seems like a scary thing to do. It's kind of, that's not exactly what I usually trade. But I do think that there is a chance that that can happen. But we're getting close to a 200-point move from the open or from the lows. There's a ton of liquidities at the 180s. Yeah, a lot of clenching. Antonio, Sean, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Ryan, good morning. Amos, Ace Undercover, good morning. Lex Wild, good morning. Chest at chat. What is flipping? So flipping is, for example, with Take Profit Trader. Okay, see, this is actually tempting me to go short. Really? You're not going to fill me? You have got to be kidding me. Oh, that's unfortunate. How did I not get filled there? This looks like it could be a trap for the shorts. I need a big wick here. Come on, give me a nice wick here. Come on. Nope, it's not gonna do it. Feels like it, yeah, this might be a trap for the shorts. Might have gotten trapped. Ah. Yeah, I'm out. Ah, we'll take the L on that one. This never could get. This was trap the shorts. All right, let's see. We have to be patient here. See what happens at the 220s. See what happens. All right, 200s. 200s getting tested here. Here we go. 202s. See what happens. Let's see if we pop through it here, or are we going to reject? Looks like we might pop it. Here we go. 10s. Two 10s. All right. This 220 level is going to be very, very interesting. And rejected again. I've got an itch to short this, and I need to just be patient. I need to be patient. Okay, here we go. 220. What is going on? Rejecting once again off the 200s. Oh, this is actually, this is tempting me so hard. Yeah, I know, M. Susan. I was thinking the exact same thing. I'm like, I'm doing what I know I shouldn't do, and that's why am I trying to, I need to just trade my strategy. That's it. Let's just focus up. Wait and just focus up here. It's so tempting to try to, tempting here always, it's always tempting to buy, short the top. It seems like such a great idea at the time. At the time, it seems like a great idea. Usually like 15 minutes later, you realize that is not a great idea. Hey, Jordan Adamson. Good morning. All right, we actually need to pick a chat trader, folks. We need a chat trader in the house. How do we want to do it? How do we want to pick the chat trader this morning? trying to determine how do we want to do it. Here we go, about to test that 20,000 level. Let's see if she can break it. 20,020. 20,220, sorry. Here we go. I'm looking at the daily chart. Like, there we go. Through the 20s. Oh, man, I might need, I just need to worry. I just need to focus on the trend. I need to focus on trading with the trend here. Okay, above the 20,000s. Let's see, 20,240s is up here. And then obviously the high of the overnight session, that news was 273s. 273. So right now, this looks like we're just going straight up. Not much of a pullback happening. I guess we got to believe. We got to believe. Yeah, I know, Nathan. I know. It's exactly what's coming to mind. Is I remember not too long ago I was trying to buy the bottom all morning long and I paid the price. So my thing is, even if I'm not really confident in the longs here, just sit on my hands. There's no need to try to short the top. Just sit on your hands. I think that's a good strategy to have. Right now, it seems very bullish. Like, there's just it seems very bullish right now. No need to jump in short. No need for it. To be quite honest, if we get a nice pullback, to the 180 level, somewhere in the 180s here, if we get a nice entry long, we should take it. Or there's no reason not to take it. We're bumping our head right at that 230 level now. Hey, Sam Owen. Good to see you, Sam Owen. In the video this week on March 3rd, President Donald Trump met with CEO of Taiwan Semiconductor, a microchip manufacturer. I see. There's no reason not to take it. Place your order in. Well, I gotta wait. Gotta wait for the actual pullback to happen, though. I gotta wait for the actual setup to happen, but gotta wait. I'd like to see it pull back to like the 190s. If we pull back and test the 15-minute opening range high right here, then I need to look at taking along there. That's just the bottom line. We gotta trade our plan, not try to be a hero. Okay, we're getting that pullback. Testing the 190s. We're not diving in here just blindly. We actually do need this to set up. All right, 180s. Testing the 180s. Now I want this to consolidate a little bit and then make it another move higher. That's what we need. all the way down below the 180s now. Who knows? We might just go straight down. Look at her go down to the 175s. See, can we get a consolidation here? Come on. Love to get a little bit of a consolidation here. I don't want to see this go straight back up. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Friday in Florida? Actually, Florida this morning was a little bit chilly. A little bit chilly this morning. I think we had a low of like 46 degrees. But it's warming up. The sun is out. It's not as windy. Yesterday, I didn't even tell you guys, but yesterday I got up really, really early with the family. Got up at like 6 o'clock, and then we went to Venice Beach to look for shark teeth. Dude, it was so windy. It was crazy. It was so windy that I almost, like, we didn't even survive on the beach that long. It was so crazy windy. I've never seen it that windy, but there was like a 40-mile-per-hour winds, and the sand was just blowing everywhere. It was not great to be out in it. So we did not last very long, and needless to say, we did not find any shark teeth. But then in the afternoon, yesterday afternoon, we went golfing, and we only played 9 holes, but it was also windy. It was quite windy, and the winds were crosswinds on the course. I think there was only one hole where we didn't have a crosswind, like where it was behind us or in our face. Okay, this is where, why did I not just short my level? Can someone please tell me? Can someone please help me understand? I should have just shorted my level. Why not? Unbelievable. We're almost 100 points lower now. Kind of expected. Kind of what I was looking for. Now, if we don't make a consolidation right here, if we don't consolidate right here and bounce off of this VWAP and the EMA right here, I don't know. I really do think we're going to go test that 20,000 level. And it looks like we might miss it. Unbelievable. I'm sad. This is what I hate now. I hate it. Oh my gosh. I missed it. This makes me have so much FOMO. Oh. I told you. Yeah, Venice Beach is pretty cool. Venice is a nice place. Yeah, we're just ripping straight through these. I mean, it's just going straight down. Wow, look at his hair.
I gotta stick my head in here for one person only. That one person is Peter Schaap.
We have Black Coffee Trader in the building, boys. Let's go.
Nutty, I gotta tell you, I went short right here at the 187s. Remember we were talking about this level?
Oops, yeah, right here.
One. I shorted the 187s and just got out at 100.
Nice.
So very, very nice trade. But my stupid 940 did not work this morning. So
no, why did I not short up here on this level? I had that level perfect. Should have done it.
I front run.
He's real. Let's go. Dub is in the chat. W's in the chat, folks.
Yeah, Peter Schaff. I'm real. This is not just some fake.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah,
That
that's
was a nice
crazy.
trade.
Crazy.
The other thing I'm looking at is the 900s, honestly. The 19.9s. I think that's the next major level. That goes all the way back to September. If we get there, that's where I'm actually going to be looking for longs, honestly. Or if we reclaim the 300s, the 20,300s.
Yeah, it could be.
It's my 2 cents.
Wow. I'm just curious. Are we going to bounce here?
We could. Long wick.
The long wick. That's a big move lower. We had from the almost 240 points. Actually, it is 250 point move lower. Just a tad bit of a pullback. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. If I was being, I don't know, that's just too, the volatility is too high for this. Too high. All right. Let's see what happens.
Good luck, guys.
Hey, thanks for stopping in, Black Coffee.
I gotta get out of the closet. It's too stuffy in here.
Yeah, it's not a great. It's pretty warm. It's pretty warm in here. It's Black Coffee. No, he was kneeling. All right, I want to see what happens here at the one. This is either a great short opportunity right here, or we are going to rip this thing back up higher. And I'm not sure which one it is. Two traders, that's right. It is a bear market, I know. All right, see this. Ah, man, I feel like I need to almost take this as much as as it scares me. I almost feel like I have to take that. And now I was too slow. Oh my gosh, why am I doing this? Hello? All right, let's see if we get filled here. Let's see if we can keep. We need the momentum. This wick makes me. I mean, it gotta. Oh, this is scary though. We might just wick out and then rip it right back down. Yikes. I don't like it. This looks like a trap for the longs right there. I just want to see what happens right here. Trying to be patient. This has got to go. This candle has to close green. We got 5 seconds left in it. And now we got to move. Got to rip it here. Got to rip it right here. Come on. Come on, market. Man, I'm kind of. It's struggling here. Come on, market. I might kill this. I don't like what I'm seeing. Another failure. Okay, maybe. Maybe. There you go. Now rip it. Come on. Just keep going. All right, I'm taking 2 off. I'm taking 2 off here, and then we're going to see if we can get it. I want to see if we can't get all the way up new highs. As long as we hold, honestly, as long as we hold above the 130s, as long as we hold above the 130s, I think I'm okay. I'm gonna try to just hold here. Looking for a pop. Big green candles, baby. Come on. Let's see if we can get above that 15-minute range. 15-minute opening range here. Come on. This is gonna be painful. This might be a. Now I'm not. I don't know. We literally came up, touched this 15-minute opening range. Starting to make me very nervous about this. I'm not sure I like it. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. I do not like that one bit. We might also just be in a very choppy, yucky market here. Just yucky. Not great price action here. Very. Let's see what happens. All right, I just need to wait. I need to wait. Wait till this consolidation ends. Might be a sideways day as well. Might get sideways. Daddy needs a new Lambo. I mean, I do want consolidation here. But right now, I feel like it's 50-50. I feel like this thing could just fall apart. Go make new lows. And it could, I mean, I could also, this long wick here makes me also think this is going to rip and make new highs. So when I'm not sure, it's best to stay out. Right now, every little dip gets bought up. I'm pretty sure we'll get a little better clarity here if we just wait. We just need to be patient and wait. We're gonna get a little better trade ideas here. Let's see. Is it gonna fall apart here? All right, let's see if the VWAP and EMA hold here. Let's see if it holds. If we start consolidating and this EMA and VWAP hold, I do think we go higher. If it holds. If it doesn't hold, you're going to buy it, GJ Trading. Good luck, sir. Good luck. If I have a code for Replicanto, I do. I think the code is Nutty Bar 20. Nutty Bar 20. Okay, here we go. Looks like we are breaking down lower. Let's see if we continue down below that 140 level. I mean, this could still go either way. If we wick above the VWAP here. We're going down, says Design Knob. Let's go. Hey, stick to your convictions. There you go. We're going lower. Design Knob, do you want to be the chat trader of the day? You want to be the chat trader of the day, Design Knob? Raise your hand if you want to do it. I will just give it to you. I'll do it. I will do it. Do I trade minis at all, Milo? Recently, not on purpose. I did trade minis on these 3 tick accounts in the overnight session. I thought I was trading 4 micros, and I was in 4 minis. So I adjusted my stop, and I thought, okay, I just need 4 points, and I'm good. Nope, never got the 4 point. I don't think I got even 2 points. Just immediately ripped against me, and it took like 15 seconds to hit my daily loss limit because I was trading 4 minis. It's not a good idea. I don't recommend it. Okay, we have officially broken down below the 120s now. Man, I want to short this now. I'm a man of the people. I've already taken a bunch of trades. Now if I trade on stream, I'll blow up. Oh. Are you saying that? Is that a yes? Hey, you requested 3K yesterday from Tick. Let's go, Christopher. Let's go. I'm trying them out. I'm just trying out Tick. This is my first time buying accounts with them. Just trying them out for now. And see how I like it. All right, market. I'm so tempted here, but looks like we're going lower, folks. She going lower. Should have known. Should have known as soon as we tested this 15-minute opening range high and how we rejected on it. And then as soon as we were below this VWAP and EMA, I feel like there was definitely signs. There were signs. The Trader Bob, how's it going? V33, how's it going? The short was around 180. Yeah, agreed. Short was around, yeah, that 170 area for sure. I'm glad we got out here. Basically, a break-even trade. That was definitely the right thing to do there. Now the question remains, is it going to continue lower? Is it going to continue lower? 20,100s? Question mark? $20,000 level. Can we get the 20,000s? Feel like everybody's waiting for those 20,000s to hit. Feel like that's what everyone is waiting for. Which means that it might not happen. Get what I mean? Sometimes that's how the market does it. It gets everyone thinking that, oh, there's 100% certainty we're gonna test the 20,100s, and then it'll just make sure it doesn't do it all day long. Market likes to be difficult. All right, kind of a double bottom right here at the 80s. If it tests 20,000, it will probably blow through it. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm wondering too, is I think we would just blow right through it if we test it, but we shall see. All right, here we go. There we go. 20,050s incoming. Oh, man. I'd short around 130. You can put 2 to 3 my. Oh, I'm sorry, design. I'm sorry, design knob. It seems I upset the algorithm. Wait, are you serious, Jose? My live does not show on my live page. I actually have to look for you. Yeah, I don't know. I probably need to, I probably should beg for likes more. So I'll do it now. Please hit the like button. Thanks. Switching to minis is stressful. Yeah, switching to minis is downright insanity. It's crazy. All right, market, what's it gonna be? See, I honestly could see us just right now rip straight back up and trap all the shorts that think it's gonna go to the 20,000 level, like with 100% certainty. I could see it happening. I could. I'm not gonna trade it, but this market, that's how it wants to do it usually. Get everybody thinking one way and then you yank the ripcord. Hey, that's right. Like the channel, hit the like button, guys. I promise it doesn't hurt. There's no pain involved. It's just hit the like button. It's not hard. I got this chart with some indicators I got from a gal years ago. Think about swim. It shows projection. Key numbers past 148, projected 19,781. Oh, wow. I mean, that could happen. That could happen. But I gotta go short. Like, as much as I say that we could trap the shorts, if we get a little bit of a move here and I get a short entry, I have to take it. Like, you have to. We got to make some money today. All right, this could happen right here. I'm only going in with half size right here. And if we come make a move a little bit higher, then I will add my remaining, basically up here at the 100s. Like right. Oh, geez. Now I'm nervous. We're gonna play this. We're gonna play it for the 20,000 level. That's the strategy. We're gonna see if we can get it. Come on, that would have been okay if you want to fill me before you go lower. I wouldn't be mad. Really? Starting to consolidate here. All right, we'll wait. Very risky to this is definitely a little bit risky strategy here. Not sure what I'm gonna do if I don't get filled on my second contracts here. So my plan was to take half off here at the double bottom. Oh man, I don't know. We might get filled. I want to give it, if it can rip higher here. Man, I need to go use the restroom really bad. Oh, but I can't. I gotta wait to see what happens here. I just went into my hourly chart over the past several days and drew a trend line on the lows. We can see the 19500s. Oh, geez. That sounds insane. I mean, we could easily, I don't know. It's so hard to say. All right, can we get filled here? Okay, give it, maybe we test right here. Starting to get a little dangerous playing this game right here. Is a little bit dangerous. See if we get filled here. Come on. All right, now we're filled. Now we need to apply our Oh, boys, are we going to get squeezed here? Oh, don't do it. Gosh, I hate doing this. I hate doing that. That's a crazy stop loss. Crazy. Let's hope we don't have to think about this, but now we just want this to reject hard. We want this. I like the wick. Give me that nice wick. Oh, yeah, baby. Now sell it off. Give me that 20,000 level. Do it. Do it. Don't tease me. All right, we will. Come on. Don't tease me. Don't do it. Oh, this is... That's mildly concerning here. We got to believe. We got to have faith here. We got to have faith. I actually want a different ATM here. Why? Oh, that's not what I want either. Where's the correct ATM? There we go. Now we're talking. Okay, 20,000 level. That's our target. We're going to take 2 off here. And we're going to have 1 stop loss there, 1 stop loss here. And now we're going to hold and pray. Come on. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Not. Okay, now we're in with 2. Now we have some wiggle room. We can at least, if we start seeing... Man, I don't like these wicks. I really don't like these wicks. They make me nervous. I don't like it. This is where you just gotta have faith. We just gotta sit through the noise. We gotta sit through the noise. We've got our game plan. I think it's a good game plan. We just gotta hold and believe. Right here. Do it, baby. Give me them lows. Do it. Come on. Come on. Big red candle here. Close red. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Do it. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, this hurts me. This hurts me. I don't want it to go against me. I go... Hyperventilating here. Don't be difficult. Don't be difficult. Okay, I'm going to take 1 off. We got 1. Now we're going to hold. We're going to hold. We're actually going to have our target down here and allow it to... We really need this to make new lows on this candle, preferably. Do it. Do it. I command you. It's gonna be a... Come on, man. Just do it. Give me new lows. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Seriously. 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 Do it. Do it. Do it. This is very important right here. Very important. Very important. Very important. Go, baby, go. Don't double bottom. Please, no. Please, no. Don't do it. Do I lock it in here? Oh, I hate trailing my stop. I absolutely hate it. I hate it. But I hate... We gotta make new lows here, guys, I'm dead serious. We have to make new lows here. Push it! Push! Oh! 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 We're doing it! Oh, let's go! We're locking it in! We're locking it in! Go, baby, go! Do it, do it, do it! Go! Go, baby, go! Come on. Just keep going. Do it. Do it. You know you want to do it. Rip it lower. You can do it. This could be a wick. This could be a wick, but I want to give it a chance to just keep going. That's it. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Oh, yes. Oh, oh. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, okay, that's enough. Boom. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Daily payout locked in again. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. Woo! All right, we're not done yet. I got a feeling we might get another opportunity for a short here. Now that we're below the 20,000 level, there's no reason to see it can't keep going. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Good times. How about did we snipe this entry or what? We sniped it, baby. We sniped it up here at the 123s. Took profit at the 9.4. That's 100 and... What? I can't do math. How many points is that? Jeez. 120s. That's a hot... is that... what? That's 160 point move. Let's go, design knob. Let's go. Let's go. Imagine I hold my... I mean, it's okay. I'm not going to complain. But imagine we hold all 4 contracts. We'd be millionaires right now. All right, I do want to bounce now. Give me a nice bounce here, and I'd be so for it. I'd be down. What a crazy rip lower. What a crazy move. Now, if I was being cool... See, hang on. Hang on, guys. I need to screenshot this. I need to screenshot this for the future in case I ever want to sell Discord memberships. Or if I want to sell a course, we got to screenshot this. Put it in a frame. It'll be like our main selling point. Oh, let's go. It's all NVIDIA related. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, imagine if they were minis. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't even tempt me, man. Whoo! That was fun. That was a lot of fun right there. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Sharouz. Thank you. Hey, we went from a negative $200 trade to a plus 288 on the day. I'll take that every day and twice on Sunday. I will take that. Now I would love to get a little bit of a bounce here. Looks like we should have held. Okay, here we go. We might just take out the 900s on this candle. This is insane. What a beautiful move. This is what we live for. This is why we trade. Moves like that. Trades like that. That's why you trade. That's why we do this. Woo. Come on, give me a bounce. I want to see a bounce. And it's so one thing we have to be careful of, talking to myself here, but Usually when we see these big moves like this, we will see an overextended move higher. Like, I wouldn't be shocked if we make a move back above the 20,000s, but then I just want to see it consolidate and then we short it again, I believe. I believe. But it might not. We might just continue lower like no one's business. Wow, look at that. It's actually just going to keep going. All right, maybe we, I mean, are we going to get a bounce here or what? Oh man, I can't believe we're below the 20,000 level, guys. That's crazy. Look at this daily chart. A less than what? February 19th, which is 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, we were at 22,200. Unbelievable. That's crazy. That is crazy. We are officially, feels like we have officially entered a bear market. Is kind of starting to it's starting to really feel like that. Oh, we are not getting much of a pullback here at all. I really thought we would. I really thought we would see a big spike higher. But it looks like it wants the 19,900s first. Kind of sad that I didn't just keep trailing this, to be honest. There was no need not to, but it's not, I mean, we'll take it. We'll take it. Hindsight is always 2020. Yeah, the capitulation on Monday that bounced over 21,000. Yeah. All right. Okay, now we're starting to get a little bit of a move, a little bit of a bounce. We got to get above the 950s before I really start looking at a short. We got to come back into this 980 level. 980, even preferably the 20,000 level. Man, this is so much selling. There's just so much selling pressure right here. It's like the bulls have officially given up. They're just like, you know what? I'm out. They are out. They went to play golf. Really? We're just... Come on. Give me a little bit of a move here. You're killing me. The bulls went fishing with PW. Maybe. Who is calling trades today? Honestly, okay, we need to do that actually because we haven't officially named someone. Hey, there's the 1900s. Or the 900s have been hit, folks. 900s have been hit. Now, maybe now we can get a bounce. Can we get a bounce now? Nope. Market said not so fast. We want to go lower. Dude, I should have held. Hold it. This is insanity. You know, people are going to be jumping in at some point and it's going to get trapped. You just know it. Guaranteed. This is where in the past, and I've done it recently. I've done it recently as well. And this is the worst form of trading, is when you feel like I'm feeling now where like, hey, we're going to get a bounce here. So you start to trade for that bounce, but it just does not happen. Like, those are the worst kind of trades and the worst feelings to be in those trades that there is, you know, at least in my opinion, it's the worst feeling ever. Because you're like, okay, this will bounce, and you're not even looking for a reversal. You're just looking to capture maybe 30, 40 points. So you buy down here, and it just never happens, and it just keeps going lower and lower. Oh, I hate those trades. Hate it. Okay, maybe we get a bounce here. Come on, market. You can do it. We need another opportunity for a short, and right now we're not getting it. All right, maybe this is the bounce. This looks like we have officially our first move higher. If we can get back above the 950, 960s, and then the 980s, and then I just want to see some consolidation. I want to see a little bit of consolidation and then another move lower. That's all. That's all I ask. The tilt monster got you today? Oh, no, I'm sorry, Amos. Oh, man. I'm sorry, man. Trust me. I know how it feels. I was there 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I lost 10 accounts in a span of 2 days. So, we have... Hopefully you have a learning opportunity, and that's the only thing we can take is just learn from it. We got to learn from it. Take mental notes. Maybe take a step away, whatever it takes. But just, yeah, I'm sorry. It's not fun. That is not fun. Yep, there you go. Black Coffee called it. Black Coffee called it earlier, the 19900s. Let's see. Let's go, Black Coffee. I hope you made millions of dollars. Oh, let's go. That was a good call out. That was a great call out. Okay, market. I do feel like this is definitely showing potential bounce here. How much of a bounce we get, that's what we don't know. There we go, getting a rip above the 950s. Man, now this, I need to see some consolidation. That's the key with a lot of these moves. I can't just jump in the first red candle we get. We got to wait, get a little bit of consolidation, and then we take the short move. That's my plan, at least. Man, we might not do a chat trading today. I want to focus on this price action. I want to focus on my trading here. And right now, I just don't have the time to do it. So we might not do the chat trading today, if that's okay. Okay, here we go. 960s. This is good. This is good. I like it. Hey, Trip Moses, you're done. Have a great weekend. Let's go. There's nothing better. I'm convinced there's nothing better to go into a weekend than if you have a nice trade. Nice green Friday. It just makes the weekend so much better. Wow, look at this. What a rip higher. Now up at the 980s. Here it is. This is now we got to get some consolidation. There is also a chance we just go straight back up higher. I mean, this market, you never know. It could happen. We got to be aware that that is a possibility. I don't think so. I think we'd go test maybe the 20,000s, but then I think we rip this right back down. But I've been wrong many, many times. But first, we need to see a little bit of consolidation here. Don't go straight down, please. Please don't just rip it straight down now, because I'm not going to get in if that happens. Ending the day up 1,500, scalping one mini. Wow, that's crazy, Golf Guy Mike. Congratulations, greatly done, or nicely done. Hey, Batters 12 Nutty, I was first made aware of you and your channel from PW, and I have really enjoyed watching you. Thank you, Batters 12. Thank you. I really appreciate that. PW has been pretty, to think about where PW and where we were at one point, I gotta say, Patrick's been very kind to me. On and off stream. Wow. See, this is what I don't want. Is I can't go short here because that's just unfortunate. I don't want to. We need some consolidation before I just jump in short. I don't like, because this, what happens, I've found out, is a lot of times it will trap the shorts on these kind of candles. So I've started where I need at least like 2 or 3 consolidation candles before I just jump in on a short. But unfortunately, now I don't know, we might miss this move, which kind of sucks. But this could still rip higher now. It's just, it feels so bearish. See, now that makes me think, yeah, that, oh my goodness, look at that. See? That's exactly what I've learned in the past. Oh, I'm so thankful that I didn't jump in on that. Oh my goodness. Look at that rip. Like, that's what it does. It traps the shorts here. And usually I would enter right here at the 934s. What is going on? Holy cow. Look at this thing rip. What? Let's go, Black Coffee. I hope you caught all that. Oh my word. What is going? Did Trump tweet or something? That is crazy. That is crazy. That had to be some kind of news. That had to be some kind of news. Goodness gracious, that was crazy. I mean, we just ripped. Imagine I have, oh, never mind. Look at that move. That was from the 930s to the, that was a 100-point move. 100-point move in literally 5 seconds. No joke. Wait, Trump speaks in 10 minutes. Putin is ready for a truce? There has to be almost some kind of news on that, right? Wait, Putin is agreeing to a ceasefire. Wow. Is that true? Let's go. Round of applause for Black Coffee. Green, green, green. I love it. Black Coffee, I think you have to come to Florida more often. I think it's good luck. But man, this is some wild, crazy. This is some wild stuff here, folks. Unbelievable. Now we could just go straight back down. Watch this just go straight back down. Wouldn't that be crazy? Now I don't really have a trade. Like, I don't really have a trade now. That's some crazy price action. These days, I just want to go straight to the golf course. Like this action now, like this makes me want to just call it a day. Like for real. This makes me want to just call it a day, be like, okay, we got our money. It wasn't a lot, but it just doesn't feel very, I don't know. It doesn't feel like we're going to get much out of this. Very volatile, folks. Very volatile. Man, I think this is going lower. If this doesn't hold above the 200s, this definitely has the makings of just ripping lower. There he is. Man, do I want to take another stab at this? Oh, man. I feel like this is maybe a mistake. Oof. If this is another trap, like right here's my second ad right here, and then I'm just stop out. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh dear. It is just gonna go higher. All right, I'm just gonna close it. Dang it. That makes me sad. This is now, I need to, why am I trading this? Why? No need. This is crazy. Crazy. It does. It feels like this wants to, this might go higher now. But I don't know that I would trust it. Just feels very whippy. It could do a little bit of anything. Like I could see this. It's just gonna chop. It's so volatile right now. I don't know. I don't know. Definitely don't need to trade this. Definitely don't need to trade it. I kind of want to feel like there's going to be opportunities today, but there's going to be, it's going to be so easy to get faked out. It's so easy to get faked out when we're in these kind of markets where we have these 40, 50 point rips in one direction. It's so easy to get faked out. That's what's not fun. Not fun trading that kind of market. I don't know, man. I don't know, guys. No pain, no gain. There will be pain today. What's the TTT DJT? Those are tick tick accounts. Tick tick direct accounts. President Orange just takes the stage. When is he going to be talking? Does someone know? I thought on the news it said that he's talking at 3 o'clock. Is that not the case anymore? Is he talking before that? Oh, see, I'm so tempted to short this. Oh, it's actually, I feel like I have to almost. Like the way that we keep rejecting off of this open, it just seems like such a good setup for a short. I'm going to take one more stab. One more time, baby. This will be my last trade. If this doesn't work, then we just have to call it a day. That'll make me sad, though. Come on, just sell off here. Big rip lower would be really nice. Just everything gets bought up. Makes me nervous. We're going to hold this. I'm going to hold this. We're going to stay in this trade. If we're wrong, we're wrong. If we're wrong, we'll take our loss and we'll call it a day. But I like my trade. I like this short. I really do. I do think we might consolidate a little more, but we're gonna stick to it. See what happens. Only day out pay, only daily payout. Wait, so is only daily payout prop firms are Blue Sky trade day and take profit? I see. I did not realize that Blue Sky was daily payouts. Huh. Oh no, is Alpine long? Hey, at least no one can lose. Oh no. Trump speaks in any moment. Wait, are you serious? Is Trump actually speaking actually in any moment? Where do you see that? So I don't know that I want to be in this trade if Trump is actually going to talk any minute. Where can you see that? He's speaking now? Oh, dear Lord, help us. Are we serious? You guys are scaring me to get out of this trade. Wow, it does look like he's gonna speak. I'm just gonna take it off then. I mean, there's just no point in being in a trade if Trump starts talking. That's just straight up. You have no idea what's gonna come out of his mouth. Yeah, he's not speaking yet, but I see that he will. I am seeing that he is going to speak. It could happen any moment. That's going to make me a little bit sad if this just keeps going lower now, but I don't know. It is what it is. I still like my short, but I think the shorts here are still really good. I think we retest the 900s, but oh well. We got to be responsible, you know. This market is his seven. Jenny. You're funny, Jenna. You're funny. Yes, 100 lot. We love the madness. It's crazy, man. News indicator Trump listed as 3 p.m. Right, but yeah, that's what I saw, Trader's Chick, but now it's Lavin, so yeah. Why not put my stop to break even just to chat? I don't believe in that. I am not a fan of moving my stop to break even. I just don't like it. In these volatile markets, I don't think it's a profitable strategy. I think unless you're like 200, 300 ticks in profit, but even then it's not safe. And if I think about moving my stop to break even, I would rather just take my profit. That's kind of how I look at it. And right here is a perfect example. The market just whipsaws way too much lately. I will do it more. I will move my stop to break even like in the overnight session. But during the New York session, I just feel like that is just not a valid, just don't feel like it's a good strategy. Okay, Mr. I'm gonna hang around here and just kind of see. Also, oh shoot, when is all my golf fanatics out there? The Arnold Palmer, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm reading an email. Recall has been issued for my truck. What the heck? Oh, there's a remedy available. The chrome grill deflector may detach. Okay, that's unfortunate. Well, I got some crazy glue. I can crazy glue it on if I need to. All right, this still looks like good. The shorts still look good here. I really do like the shorts here. But with Trump speaking, this could rip to 100 points as soon as he opens his mouth. So it's kind of, you know, at your own risk kind of thing. A train, how we doing? Arnie, yeah, the Arnold tournament this weekend. Oh, I love it. I love playing golf and I love watching golf. And what are you? So let's look at the leaderboard right now. I wonder, would I be allowed to share the live feed on stream? Probably not, right? So right now, Wyndham Clark is leading. I like Wyndham Clark. Keegan Brad, you know who surprised me recently? Keegan Bradley. Keegan Bradley has played really well as of late. All right, look at this. This is where that's why it's not worth being in this trade. Keegan Bradley has been great. Shane Lowry has been great. Actually, McIlroy and Justin Thomas are at 2 under. That's awesome. I really hope Justin Thomas. I'm cheering for Justin Thomas, and I mean, I know Spieth isn't playing. Right now, the projected cut is 4 over. Interesting. Do you know who's not been playing that well? A guy that hasn't been playing that well, just kind of dropped off. A guy that's just kind of dropped off has been Xander Schauffele. He has just, like 2 years ago, or even a year ago, he was playing really well. And as of recently, he's just kind of fell off. Not sure what happened. Wow. Xander was playing well. Yeah, Jay, it's just been crazy. Clyde, I mean, Xander's been playing great lately. Yes, yeah, last year he played really well, but toward the end of the year, last year, he did not play that well. He had an injury. Oh, really? Oh, I wasn't aware of that. Really? Yeah, UCLA trades. Sorry. Use someone else's code for my funded futures. I used to have a code and then they cut me off. They told me that you suck as an affiliate. We don't want you anymore. Please go away. I mean, maybe it wasn't quite that direct, but that's kind of what I got out of the email. And I mean, to be fair, I wasn't really promoting them that much, so I think I'm not upset about it, but I don't have an affiliate code with my funded futures because I don't really use them. If I don't use a prop firm, then I don't really want to. I don't really care. I don't want to be affiliated with them. I mean, I don't care, but it's also like I don't actively promote them if I don't use them. It's just how I do it. Okay, market, what are we doing? Trump still not talking. Still no talking. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just going to watch some golf here. I wonder if I could actually... Could I share this on stream or would I get copyright striked? Yeah, Jake Napkid. Oh, I like it. Dude, A-Train. It's so crazy how some people, like there are some people on the PGA Tour, and Jake Knapp is one of them, where like they have such a smooth, effortless swing, yet their ball speed and their distance is crazy. That's kind of how I wish I would play. Like I have pretty good swing speed. Like especially for, I mean, not to toot my own horn, but for a 41-year-old, it's not terrible. I actually am like almost. I think I can outdrive I could outdrive Zach Johnson. Some people, but that's about it. But some of them, they just take this effortless, smooth swing, and you think, wow, that can't be that hard, and it is. But then you have like Rory McIlroy. You know, McIlroy, I mean, he put, like, you can tell that he's swinging hard. But it's crazy. Yeah, it's the lag. It's the lag, and as they come through the ball, it's just that crazy transition. It's impressive. I can outdrive Zach Johnson too, but it ends up in someone's living room. Let's go, Frank Costanza. No, my average, actually here, I wanted to show you guys my best round. Where do I find this? Right here, this was my best round in Florida so far. That was 2 days ago. Actually, yeah, 7-0. I forgot it was a par. I thought it was a par 7. Yeah, par 70. But not too shabby. I was very happy with it. Even with, I had 4 double bogeys and 4 birdies. But we hit 11 of 14 fairways. We had 10 of 18 greens in regulation. Longest drive. Oh, this was my longest drive. This was pretty crazy. This is why I love the Garmin watch. Like, the Garmin watch is... The green was 325 yards away, and we drove it right up on the front of the green. I can't wait to have my golf channel. I can't wait. I can't wait to have a golf channel where I can, I don't know. It's a lot of work though. I'm realizing that there's a lot of work involved. Lots of editing and camera filming. It's, yeah. But I'm going to try to have my golf, I'm going to try to have my golf channel up and running for the Amish Open this year. That's my goal. Did it hit the carp pad? No, it did not. It was actually, there was someone on the green. There was someone on the green. Well, usually if you're driving, someone's on the green, it's okay to hit. But I just hit it. I hit it really well. And let's just say the guy was not very happy. But I mean, I'm like, what am I supposed to do, you know? I didn't expect it to hit that hard. How do I drive 300? I don't know. I just swing hard. Just swing harder. But, hey, there you go, A-Train. What's the max amount you can make in a day on a 50K for an Apex eval? For an eval, the max you can make is your profit target, which is $3,000. You can make $3,000 in one day just you trading, and you will then pass it, and you'll get your funded account the next day. I can get $50 tee time plus $65 caddy fees at Stream Song if you want to go. Oh, really? You know where I want to go? You know where I want to go golf? Wow, look at this. It's just continuing to go lower here. I really wish I would have held. It's all right, though. I'm going to go to Waterford in Venice. Venice has a really nice golf course. And yeah, I want to go to Waterford. Your friend, hey, Travis, get a recording drone for your shots. I do. I have a drone. See, I got my drone. I got my camera. I got everything I need. Like, I got all my gear I need for filming. And right now, my wife is going to be the cameraman or woman. She's going to be the camera woman. Right now, we've actually filmed one session, but the challenge right now is just the filming part, like getting that down pat, because it's hard. It's actually hard to film a golf round because you have to watch the ball but also make sure you catch it on the camera. And then you also have to zoom in. So you got to zoom in so you can see where the ball lands. There's a lot of work with golf. I mean, there's a lot of work because then in editing, you have to add your shot tracers to all shots. It's a lot more work than what I thought it would be, but I'm determined to do it. I'm determined we're going to do it. But my thing is, I'm probably a little bit too much of a perfectionist. I'm not going to release a video until it's right. Like, I'm not going to put out content. I don't want my, like, I want it to be correct and professional and done right. So we have filmed a session, but it's not, it's just not good enough. So we're going to keep trying until we get it. I'll be sure to let you guys know once I upload my first video. So for those of you that, I know there's probably a lot of you that just don't care about golf, but for those of you that care about golf, I think you'll enjoy it. Can you explain how you have your NinjaTrader set up so nice? I don't know. This is a chart. The chart trader is from Affordable Indicators, which honestly, Affordable Indicators, I'm a big fan of. I love their account dashboard and the chart trader. This is what I like about the chart trader. I can click buy click here with an ATM strategy. I can go buy click and I can see the dollar amount, and I can drag it to the stop I want and the profit target I want. That part that's something that's so nice. It's like a cheat code, or it's like a chart trader for dummies. Oh man, guys, I wish I would have held this short. We were short all the way up here at the 20,022s, and we would literally be at a 100-point move now. We would have got it. Wouldn't have been as good as this move. 160 points that we captured up here. That's got to be my best trade ever. 160 points. I'm pretty sure that's my biggest trade ever, I think. Or I can't remember having a bigger trade. Maybe more dollar amount, but as far as all points, like just pure points, that has to be the biggest trade that I've ever done. I like it. You gotta love it. Okay, all the way back down. We're about to test the 900s once more. Trump still has not started speaking, so I don't know. Maybe he's not going to talk. Hey, Camber Trades in the building. Good to see you. Scalping with Tom. Do that golf video like you do your trading video, one take and done. Unfortunately, I can't. If I would do a one take and done, no one would watch it because you would be sitting there waiting for the group in front of me for 10 minutes. Here in Florida, I'm telling you what, down here in Florida right now, any golf course you go to, just expect it to take 5 hours to play 18 holes. Just expect it. It's like the average time to play 18 holes is going to be 5 hours. The pace of play is just so bad. All right, here we go. 900s. Man, I wish I would have held. Oh, man. Yeah, it is ridiculous. What ATM strategy do I use? It's not always the same, John Jonas. It's not always the same. It kind of varies on my size and just kind of market conditions. I have a ton of different ATMs I use. I did get a trade in at 953, 11 point, take profit one. Let's go, Camber. Let's go, Camber Trades. That's awesome. Let's go. You're an inspiration. Thank you, Hub Bro. What else do you do for a living besides day trade? This is what I do for a living currently, as of this year. At least we try. We try. I used to be I used to have a 50% ownership in a business, but I sold those ownership shares at the end of last year. So it was just causing me too much. There was just too much stress in it. All right, getting a little bit of a pump here. Florida locals are not very motivated to have a construction company, and most of the crews was imported from the Midwest. I see. Yes, scalping with Tom. I know, right? But I'm serious. Well, yeah. That does seem kind of crazy when you say it out loud. Oh, mama. All right, we have maybe we get if we don't make a new low here, I don't know, maybe we go make a little bit of a move higher, I guess. How do I have your accounts displayed like that? World of Gaming. This is an add-on from Affordable Indicators for Ninja Trader, and it allows me to show all of my accounts and my drawdown, everything like that. It's from Affordable Indicators. There is a link in the description below if you want to support the channel. I don't have a code, but I believe they're offering 40% off right now, I think. Obviously you can just go directly there and buy it for 40% off. If you want to support the channel and use my link, that is totally up to you. But I do appreciate it if you do. All right, market. I'm so tempted to take another trade, but this Trump's got me nervous. I don't trust it. Feel like he's not even going to talk now. All right, we're about to make new lows here, possibly. About to make new lows. How low will she go? Are we going to make a double bottom or not? Here we go. New lows. There she goes. New lows. 880s, 885s. I really wish I would have held my short. Ay, 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 ay. We dropped the bag. We dropped the ball on that one. What's the add-on? So the add-on for the account, displaying your accounts, is called the basic just account dashboard. Basic account dashboard and the basic chart trader is that will work. Unbelievable. New lows down to the 860s. Really, really wish I would we missed out there. We definitely dropped the ball on that one. Now the question is, how low is this going to go? I mean, how low is this going to go? Look at this. This is the 1 hour chart. And I don't even know what to say. This is the weekly chart. Weekly chart is looking very, very interesting. Look at this. I don't know, man. That's looking pretty dangerous. Looking dangerous. On the weekly chart. Daily chart. I mean, I guess the next area we have, I mean, honestly, the 9,500s. We actually could test the 9,500s. Which, that seems insane. That's, I don't know, man. That seems crazy. Oh, try the daily 150 MA. I see. Due for the impulse to the upside. Yeah. Giovanni Trades, use affordable indicators for dashboard, but replicon to the copy trade, right? Yes, Giovanni Trades. Yes, that is correct. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you, Camber Trades. Thank you. Thank you, Camber Trades. I just see it now. Thank you. All right, market. I mean, I'm starting to feel like this is safe to take a short again. I don't know. I'm just going to assume that Donald, our good friend Donald, isn't going to just come on and say something stupid. Man, oh man, I wish things were different. There we go. New lows incoming. 860s. Maybe. See if we get a pop here or not. How many are trying to catch the knife? I don't know. Don't do it. It's not worth it here. I don't think it's going to be worth trying to catch that knife here. It's just too crazy. Are we just going to rip here or not? Here we go. Hold on, boys. Is he going to make new lows? Or are we going to rip it higher? I wouldn't mind making a move back up into this 940, 960 area. See if we can get... I mean, I'm going to take another stab here short if we get it. If we get it. And there it goes. New lows. Man. Just feel like I'm going to be chasing here if I don't want to short here. I don't want to short, but definitely don't want to go long. If you draw the line from the lows of 12.19 to 112 prices, almost 12.19. Is that on the daily chart? Oh, are you saying, oh, I see. Are you saying here? I mean, I'm kind of... Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, they've been masturbating the longs. Yeah, just continuously. I agree. We're just not seeing any. I mean, just so bearish. I might need to go here soon. Oh man. Okay, market. What is gonna happen? Feel like we're due. I think we're gonna get a new rip lower here. The way this is acting. I mean, we're just not getting a bounce. Nothing. It's also 11. It's 11:30 now. Desire, you can take a while to feed up, but then you'll be worth it. Yeah. Hey, low of December, low of January. If you draw a line to the lows. Oh, you're saying right here. Ah, I see what you're saying. You're saying like right here. Ah, got it. There we go, making new lows. 840s. Ooh. Man, I feel like I definitely missed a big opportunity. Oh, we definitely missed it. Got scared on this move. Oh. I'm not going to be I'm not actually going to be that shocked if we hit the 500s today. I'm not going to be that surprised. That's how crazy that this could get, in my humble opinion. Powell speaks in an hour. Yep. Anyone here like to trade ES? Oh, I don't. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see. See if we get through the 800s here. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. I got things. I think the family sounds like at least some of us are gonna go to the beach today, and I think I'm gonna call it. Not exactly what I was looking for today. I don't know that I'm gonna. I don't know that I'm gonna make a withdrawal on 196. I might wait. Wait till Monday and trade this account again, and then hopefully we can add up a little bit, accumulate a little bit more before we do the daily withdrawal. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it here. I feel like there's probably going to be more opportunities, but I might keep my eye on it. Not saying I won't take another trade maybe, but kind of okay with just walking away here. Except for these tick accounts, we had a good day. Except for these tick accounts, which we totally butchered overnight session. Accidentally trading, not accidentally, but we traded 4 minis. Thought we were trading micros, and then we tried to sneak it by, but it did not work. Yeah, Trump's at 1:30 Eastern now. Okay. What happened to Patrick? He's fishing. He is fishing. Yeah, I think anything under 250 gets a $50 fee. That's true, Camber Trades. So even definitely won't be requesting then. So, all right, guys, I'm going to call it here, and we'll catch you guys on Monday. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Have a great rest of your day. And we'll be back on Monday. Take care, everybody, and God bless.